Okay guys, now we are going to do this day 14, where is Rudolph, from the Advanta Cyber to Try Hack Me. So this is about the open source intelligence. So we need to gather information from the publicly available resources on the internet, and we need to get more information. All we have is this username, I guide the class 2020. So we have only this username. Okay, we need to copy this, and you can see the resources here. So now let's search about this username. Okay, we have found the Twitter and the Reddit. Okay, now let's open this Reddit, because the first question has been asked for Reddit. So what URL will take me directly to Rudolph Reddit comment history. So that is this URL. This is the URL for this Reddit comment history. And according to Rudolph, where was he born? So we need to find the city of where was he born. So fun fact, I was actually born in Chicago and my creator's name was Robert. So he was born in Chicago and his creator's name was Robert. And you can also see some more information. And that is the answer to the second question. According to Rudolph, where was he born? Chicago. Rudolph mentions Robert. Can you use Google to tell me Robert's last name? So you can say Robert full name Rudolph. Now you can see Robert L. May. So created Rudolph in 1939 as an assignment of Chicago-based Montgomery Ward. So May is the answer. That is the last name for the Robert. And what other social media platform might Rudolph have an account? So you can see on our search we have got the Twitter ID of this account. Now you can see the information here. Email, we have got the email and some tweets. So there is he have stayed in the hotel. Okay, now let's see what other questions they are asking. So what is the Rudolph username on the platform? That is this iGuide class 2020. You can see here at the rate ID, and what appears to be Rudolph's favorite TV show right now. So here when I just searched, and you can see here, love me some Bachelorette, and Bachelorette is the TV show name, Goodbye Bachelorette, and here he also mentions the Bachelorette. So that is the answer for this question. The favorite show is Bachelorette. Based on Rudolph's post history, he took part in parade. Where did the parade takes place? So I just thought he is in Chicago. I just put the Chicago and it's correct. So he took the part in parade in Chicago. I think there is also a mention about this parade. So here, feeling cute might turn into parade balloon later. I don't know. So okay, now we need to find the exact location of the one of the photos was taken. So first what I thought was I did the EXIF tool on these two images. So I got nothing. So then I saw this, here is high resolution to one of the photos from here. So that question is referring to this image. Let's open this. So now we can do online EXIF. You can also do the using this terminal tool. So you go to this exif.regex.info. Now we need to paste the URL. So let's copy this, choose I am not a robot, and view the image data. Now we can see the copyright contains the flag. So that is the flag, and location is this one, latitude and longitude. And we can also get some more information, GPS, latitude, longitude, and there is no much information about that except this latitude, longitude. So let's see what are the questions. Okay, you found the city where specially was one of the photos taken. So we need to specify the latitude and longitude. And did you find a flag too? Yes, I have found the flag. So has Rudolph been pawned? What password has appeared in this breach? So this, using the Rudolph email address specified here, you can check the password breach databases. for any compromising of this username, email and the password. So this one I did not get answer because after seeing this hint they have mentioned this Scylla.sh, and this is not working. So when I type this email and it's not giving any results, even it has some API using the Python and curl, but they are also not working. I used Python but it's not working. I just simply copy the answer from the walkthrough of the another website. So I got this Pygame. So based on so this question you can try in other password breach database, and based on our information gathered, it's likely that Rudolph in the Windy City is staying in a hotel on Magnificent Mile. What are the street numbers of hotel address? So you can see here this guy mentioned that your Marriott is where Rudolph roused to lay his head. If you just hover your mouse, you can see it's a Marriott hotels. Okay, now open the Gmaps. You can also type Chicago Marriott hotel. So you can type like this and you can get the information. So you can see write down the first question. First result is Magnificent Mile. So if you go down this, you can see the actual address. You can see 540 is the street number. See, that is the answer. Also you can also you got the latitudes, longitudes, right? So you can paste these latitudes and longitudes and you can go and check out nearby hotels. So you can see the latitudes and longitudes are same, so almost same, that means nearby hotel. So the 540 is the answer for this street number for the last question. So that's all for this open source intelligence challenge from the TryHackMe. So within one user with one username, you can get much more information using the OSINT techniques.